Welcome! If you've ever wanted to share your favorite Instagram highlight with friends or followers directly from your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the newest way to copy and share your Instagram highlight link using the Instagram app on your computer. This method is quick, simple, and perfect for anyone who wants to boost engagement or showcase special moments. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look to the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you straight to your profile page. Now, just below your bio, you'll spot all your highlights. These are the collections of stories you've saved to your profile. Find the specific highlight you want to share. Click on it to open it up. At the top of the highlight page, you'll notice 3 small dots. These are your options menu. Click on those 3 dots to open a drop-down menu. Here, you'll see several options, but what you're looking for is Copy URL. Click on Copy URL, and just like that, the direct link to your highlight is copied to your clipboard. Now you're ready to share your highlight link anywhere you want. Paste it into a message, an email, or even another social media platform. Anyone who clicks your link will be taken straight to your Instagram highlight, making it easier than ever to share your favorite moments. That's all it takes. With this new update, sharing your Instagram highlights from your PC is faster and more convenient than ever before. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on making the most out of your social media experience. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.